The Profi 54 vacuum cleaner, coupled with a pressure washer, is designed for cleaning paving stones, swimming pools or garden ponds, as well as for draining, for example, flooded areas. It's equipped with a high-performance pump and a bypass motor with a 3-stage turbine. The vacuum cleaner is designed for wet operation, filtering dirty water or silt. The dirt is sucked into the first container, where its heavy fraction is separated and collected. The filtered liquid goes to the second container, from where it is then hosed out. Afterwards, the separator tank can be very easily emptied, using its tilting mechanism.